Alright, hello everyone, and today we're going to do another PC part list, and this time it's for under $1,600. So a few rules is that it has to be able to game at 1440p high settings with at least 60 FPS, and that it can edit 4K video with not many problems. So the CPU we went with is a AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. Great 8-thread 8-core 16-thread part. It is a 3rd-gen Ryzen processor, so you have 7 nanometer. It's clocked at 3.6 gigahertz, and it comes with the Wraith Max cooler. The motherboard we went with is an MSI B550A Pro ATX motherboard. I wanted to go with ATX because it has a lot of features that MATX does not have, and it will fit our case perfectly, which it's always something that you kind of want because then cable management will look a lot better. And, it has a single 8-pin, pretty good VRM cooling, and for $140, you really can't go wrong. Here we go with some of my favorite kit of RAM, which is the G-Skill Riptos 5 32GB kit. It's DDR4 3600 megahertz at CL16, so yeah, very fast and will be perfect for video editing because you want more RAM for video editing, and then when you export it'll be faster. We also went with a Sabrent Rocket Q 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. I have a Sabrent Rocket 512 gig SSD. Absolutely love it. So I think the Sabrent Rocket Q would be a little better and a little faster because it's a higher capacity. And the higher capacity you go, the more cache you get, so the faster the SSD. And then we went with an MSI RTX 2070 Super 8GB Gaming X card. Now this system isn't going to have much RGB in it since we're under $1,600 and we want to get a lot of performance. But I thought just having a little RGB on the graphics card will kind of light everything up a little bit. And the Wraith Max cooler that comes with their AMD processor also has some RGB on it, so yeah. Then we went with the Lian Li LandCool 2 case. Great case. I've heard so many good things about it. Wish I would have got it instead of the case I got. Just absolutely great. Great cable management. Decent airflow. All for the price of $95. And we also went with a Corsair TXM Gold 750 watt 80 plus gold certified power supply. I thought for a Ryzen 7 3700X and a 2070 Super, I at least wanted 750 watt, just so I have that little headroom in case you want to upgrade in the future or overclock and stuff like that. It's only semi-modular, but that won't really be a problem with her Lian Li LandCool case because excellent cable management, as I already said. And then we just picked up some Cooler Master MF120R RGB fans. They're PWM, $63, not too bad. Then we got 2 Arctic P12 PWM fans. They're just fans, can't really go wrong with it. Then we got a fan splitter from JB Tech, never heard of them. But basically, you plug it into one of your 4-pin on your motherboard, and then you get 2 4-pin fan connectors. So then you can have 2 fans instead of 1 on a single 4-pin PWM connector on your motherboard. And that's all for $1,544. Plus tax, it'll probably be like $1,600. So basically a $1,600 PC, great for 4K video editing, gaming, streaming, recording. So basically the whole 9 yards for $1,600. If you want to check out my last part list, I will link that in the description below. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one, and goodbye.